Okay, I'm going to do a quick lesson just to remind you guys again how sometimes you might see it on one of your tests. You might see that you need to turn your mixed number into an improper fraction, or vice versa, your improper into a mixed number. So I'm just going to give you a few examples of how we turn a mixed number into an improper and an improper into mixed. So first, we're going to do mixed first. So a mixed number, remember, means I have a whole number and then I also have a fraction next to it. So I read this as 5 3/4. So to turn a mixed number into an improper fraction, you start with the denominator. You are going to multiply times this direction. So 4 times 5, and I think 4 times 5 is 20. And then this direction, you add whatever that number you got. I'm going to say 20 plus 3 is 23. So my improper is now 23/4. Okay, so we multiply from denominator to whole, add that to your numerator, and you get your new numerator, and your denominator stays the same. Let me do another one to do this again. So I have 3 1/6. And again, we're going to turn it into an improper fraction. So I look at my denominator. I'm going to multiply going this direction. So 6 times 3 is 18. So I think 18. And then I'm going to add going this direction. 18 plus 1 is 19. So my new numerator is 19. My denominator stays the same. So 19/6. So again, you multiply denominator with whole, and then add in the numerator, and that is your new numerator. Now, when we're going the opposite direction, so when we go from improper to mixed, I'm going to just pull those back down, right? So here's my 23/4. Okay, so improper again means that I have a larger numerator than a denominator. I have to think. I'm going to use division. How many times can 4 go into 23? Well, if you count by 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. If I do another one, I'm at 24, so too large. So it went in 5 times, 5 whole times. 5 times 4 is 20. I'm left over with 3, and my denominator stays the same. So this is going from improper to mixed, and this was mixed to improper. Same thing, I'll do the 19/6. I think how many times can 6 go into 19? Well, I count by 6s, 6, 12, 18, 24. Well, 24 is too large, so I have to go back down. That means I can go in 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. That means I'm left over with 1, and my denominator stays the same. I'll do one more that you didn't see an example of there. If I had the number, let's see, 25/6. Let's do that again, okay? I'm going to think again. How many times can 6 go into 25? I count by 6s, 6, 12, 18, 24. Well, I know if I go more, that's 4 fingers, so 4 whole things. And I know there's 1 left over out of that 25 and 6. Again, so this is how you turn mixed into improper and improper into mixed numbers.